Do you attend school?
Yes, I attend daily.
Do you join clubs?
Yes, I join sports.
Do you do homework?
Yes, I do nightly.
Do you eat lunch?
Yes, I eat cafeteria.
Do you take buses?
Yes, I take school.
Do you like teachers?
Yes, I like math.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study daily.
Do you wear uniforms?
No, I wear casual.
Do you attend prom?
Yes, I attend yearly.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you attend college?
Yes, I attend university.
Do you study majors?
Yes, I study engineering.
Do you join fraternities?
Yes, I join groups.
Do you live dorms?
Yes, I live campus.
Do you attend lectures?
Yes, I attend daily.
Do you take exams?
Yes, I take finals.
Do you use libraries?
Yes, I use often.
Do you party weekends?
Yes, I party sometimes.
Do you apply scholarships?
Yes, I apply yearly.
Do you meet advisors?
Yes, I meet monthly.
Do you work daily?
Yes, I work weekdays.
Do you attend meetings?
Yes, I attend weekly.
Do you dress professionally?
Yes, I dress business.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take lunch.
Do you collaborate teams?
Yes, I collaborate daily.
Do you email coworkers?
Yes, I email often.
Do you respect deadlines?
Yes, I meet deadlines.
Do you work overtime?
Yes, I work sometimes.
Do you like feedback?
Yes, I value input.
Do you attend trainings?
Yes, I attend yearly.
Do you relax weekends?
Yes, I relax often.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch Netflix.
Do you go hiking?
Yes, I hike trails.
Do you visit malls?
Yes, I visit Saturday.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play pickup.
Do you eat out?
Yes, I eat restaurants.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet weekends.
Do you attend concerts?
Yes, I attend monthly.
Do you barbecue often?
Yes, I barbecue summer.
Do you visit parks?
Yes, I visit Sundays.
Do you volunteer often?
Yes, I volunteer monthly.
Do you help communities?
Yes, I help locally.
Do you donate clothes?
Yes, I donate yearly.
Do you clean parks?
Yes, I clean sometimes.
Do you serve food?
Yes, I serve shelters.
Do you join charities?
Yes, I join events.
Do you teach kids?
Yes, I teach reading.
Do you support causes?
Yes, I support equality.
Do you raise funds?
Yes, I raise money.
Do you help elderly?
Yes, I help neighbors.
Do you attend weddings?
Yes, I attend summer.
Do you give gifts?
Yes, I give presents.
Do you wear suits?
Yes, I wear formal.
Do you dance weddings?
Yes, I dance receptions.
Do you toast couples?
Yes, I toast speeches.
Do you plan weddings?
Yes, I plan details.
Do you like ceremonies?
Yes, I like traditions.
Do you bring guests?
Yes, I bring friends.
Do you eat cake?
Yes, I eat dessert.
Do you throw bouquets?
Yes, I throw flowers.
Do you read bedtime?
Yes, I read stories.
Do you pack lunches?
Yes, I pack daily.
Do you attend games?
Yes, I attend sports.
Do you help homework?
Yes, I help nightly.
Do you drive kids?
Yes, I drive school.
Do you cook meals?
Yes, I cook dinner.
Do you teach manners?
Yes, I teach respect.
Do you plan playdates?
Yes, I plan weekends.
Do you buy toys?
Yes, I buy gifts.
Do you love parenting?
Yes, I love kids.
Do you ride buses?
Yes, I ride daily.
Do you use subways?
Yes, I use trains.
Do you buy passes?
Yes, I buy monthly.
Do you check schedules?
Yes, I check apps.
Do you take taxis?
Yes, I take sometimes.
Do you use Uber?
Yes, I use often.
Do you ride trains?
Yes, I ride Amtrak.
Do you avoid rush?
Yes, I avoid mornings.
Do you pay fares?
Yes, I pay cash.
Do you like transit?
Yes, I like convenience.
Do you tip servers?
Yes, I tip generously.
Do you say please?
Yes, I say politely.
Do you thank staff?
Yes, I thank always.
Do you tip drivers?
Yes, I tip Uber.
Do you hold doors?
Yes, I hold open.
Do you greet strangers?
Yes, I greet kindly.
Do you tip baristas?
Yes, I tip coffee.
Do you respect lines?
Yes, I respect queues.
Do you tip hotels?
Yes, I tip housekeeping.
Do you follow etiquette?
Yes, I follow manners.
Do you visit DMV?
Yes, I visit yearly.
Do you renew licenses?
Yes, I renew driving.
Do you take tests?
Yes, I take exams.
Do you wait long?
Yes, I wait hours.
Do you bring documents?
Yes, I bring ID.
Do you schedule appointments?
Yes, I schedule online.
Do you register cars?
Yes, I register vehicles.
Do you pay fees?
Yes, I pay cash.
Do you update plates?
Yes, I update tags.
Do you like DMV?
No, I dislike weights.
Do you study online?
Yes, I study courses.
Do you use Zoom?
Yes, I use daily.
Do you take quizzes?
Yes, I take weekly.
Do you watch lectures?
Yes, I watch videos.
Do you join forums?
Yes, I join discussions.
Do you learn skills?
Yes, I learn coding.
Do you use apps?
Yes, I use platforms.
Do you submit assignments?
Yes, I submit online.
Do you like e-learning?
Yes, I like flexibility.
Do you earn certificates?
Yes, I earn monthly.
Do you visit doctors?
Yes, I visit yearly.
Do you book appointments?
Yes, I book online.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, I have coverage.
Do you see specialists?
Yes, I see sometimes.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I take advice.
Do you fill forms?
Yes, I fill papers.
Do you wait long?
Yes, I wait often.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, I ask health.
Do you get prescriptions?
Yes, I get medicine.
Do you trust doctors?
Yes, I trust professionals.
Do you eat out?
Yes, I eat weekends.
Do you tip servers?
Yes, I tip 20.
Do you order drinks?
Yes, I order soda.
Do you read menus?
Yes, I read carefully.
Do you like fast?
Yes, I like quick.
Do you try specials?
Yes, I try daily.
Do you book tables?
Yes, I book online.
Do you eat dessert?
Yes, I eat cake.
Do you share meals?
Yes, I share plates.
Do you enjoy dining?
Yes, I enjoy atmosphere.
Do you live suburbs?
Yes, I live quietly.
Do you mow lawns?
Yes, I mow weekly.
Do you know neighbors?
Yes, I know many.
Do you drive cars?
Yes, I drive daily.
Do you walk dogs?
Yes, I walk evenings.
Do you attend barbecues?
Yes, I attend summer.
Do you shop local?
Yes, I shop nearby.
Do you like peace?
Yes, I like calm.
Do you join events?
Yes, I join fairs.
Do you have gardens?
Yes, I have flowers.
Do you practice accents?
Yes, I practice daily.
Do you say schedule?
Yes, I say schedule.
Do you stress words?
Yes, I stress first.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch tutorials.
Do you mimic natives?
Yes, I mimic Americans.
Do you use apps?
Yes, I use pronunciation.
Do you speak clearly?
Yes, I speak slowly.
Do you learn vowels?
Yes, I learn sounds.
Do you record voice?
Yes, I record practice.
Do you like accents?
Yes, I like American.